अभी लेटर लिखा है Again, start again, madam. 1328 dated 19/6/2023. Considering the issue raised today, the Panchayat will discuss and reconsider the resolution number 9J108 dated 8/6/2023 and decide upon further action. In the meanwhile, the letter dated 19/6/2023 is kept in abeyance.
माफी